Okay, first open the Gemini AI, upload files, open, and copy prompt, copy, and paste the prompt, and generate. Okay, looks good, and download. Okay, next open Photoshop, file, open, gradient maps, black and white color, blending mode to soft light, blending option, Alt click and slide, before after. Okay, and gradient, radial, reverse, scale. Okay, before after, blending option, I'll take click and slide, gradient again, radial and reverse, scale to 80. Okay, before after, before after. Okay, new layer and convert to medical layer color. Before after, and okay, now go to camera raw filter, just like grain, color mixer and point color, click and adjust luminance, saturation, maybe hue or red, and curve, click and slide, blue color, before after. Okay, before after, and before after. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.